Fish-flavored ice cream? Our frosty pranks will make your dreams come true. I want the coldest coffee in the whole Wild West. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Separate 4 eggs. Add 5 ounces of sugar. Whisk until the mixture turns white. Heat 20 ounces of milk on a stove. Melt 7 ounces of dark chocolate in the milk. Pour in the egg yolks while stirring. Cook until it thickens to the consistency of sour cream, mixing continuously. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Let it freeze. Transfer it into coffee glasses and freeze them. Decorate the top with whipped cream. Cover them with lids. Put them in a cardboard container. That was a long trip, and my iced coffee boiled. That's unfortunate. What's for lunch? Frozen ice? I guess my roommate is on a diet. Cut steamed meat and broccoli. Put the pieces into ice molds. Pour drinking water over the pieces and freeze the molds. How can you eat this? It's easy. Just heat it up on a frying pan. Now my roommate won't steal my food. Do you set your alarm clock early? I'll freeze time so you can sleep in a little. Pour water into a plastic box. Put it in the freezer. Take it out when part of the water freezes and makes a crust. Pour out the extra water. Cover the top with Saran wrap. Pour water over the wrap. Let it freeze again. Take the ice lid and box out. Put an alarm clock inside. Cover it with the lid. Huh, my alarm clock is stuck in an igloo. Be quiet! How can I get you out of your ice prison? It was that easy? But I ended up being late anyway. You shouldn't leave your chocolate unattended in the fridge. I'll leave a small frozen prank for my roommate. Add cocoa powder and sugar to Greek yogurt. Mix well and add brown food coloring. Pour the mixture into a chocolate bar mold. Freeze it. Wrap the frozen bar in tinfoil. Put in a printed wrapper. Someone else's chocolate is an easy target. Open up. Ouch! Is this a piece of ice? Ew! I hate it! Happy birthday, bestie! I love getting gifts, especially if they are made of ice. Pour some water into a box. Put it in the freezer. Put a phone case, a foam core sheet, and a printed picture of a phone together. Make a fake phone. Put the fake phone on top of the ice and pour another layer of water on top. Freeze it and put it in a gift box. Well, do you like your present? This ice case will protect your phone from overheating. Come on, enjoy your ice phone! Since Rosie loves everything icy, I have the perfect lipstick for her. Dissolve red food coloring in some water. Fill a syringe with the red water. Put it in a cup filled with sugar to keep it upright and freeze it. Take the frozen stick out of the syringe and put it in a clean lipstick tube. My favorite color! But something's weird about this lipstick. Is it made out of water? My lips are frozen and numb. My roommate always gets to the bathroom before me, but revenge is a dish best served cold. Pour drinkable yogurt into a round soap mold. Freeze it. Take it out and put it in a soap dish. This soap is so cold! Yikes! Run, Roomie, run! Where's my deodorant? That's suspicious. Fill a clean tube from deodorant with whipped cream. Close it and put it in the freezer. Whew, that's cold! And sweet! Watch out! Your order is here. Please pay for delivery. Rosie, where's all our money? Our accounts are frozen. The money's in the freezer. Roll up bills and put them in a bowl. Cover the bottom and sides. Pour water into the bowl and put it into the freezer. After the water freezes, take the ice out of the bowl. What's with this iceberg? Rosie, did you freeze our assets again? Thanks for the delivery. Keep the change. I love noodle soup. Hold on, where did this frozen soup come from? Cook some instant noodles in a big bowl. Once the noodles are cooked, put a smaller bowl inside. Fill it with water. Pour more water into the noodles. Add in some chopped boiled carrots and green peas. Put the bowl in the freezer. Take the ice face out of the mold. Save yourself, Christy! A new ice age is beginning. That's why your soup is frozen. In the meantime, I'll enjoy your hot lunch. We have an icy prank for kitty cats too. Let's hunt frozen mice. Pour cat food into a triangular bowl. Put it in the freezer. Cut ears, eyes, a nose out of cheese. Make a tail out of soft cheese. Get the frozen food out of the freezer. That'll be the mouse body. Attach the tail, ears, eyes, and nose. Draw more details with a food marker. Here, eat this yummy mouse! But the cat refuses to eat frozen food. It's too cold! What? You're not ready yet? But we have to go! Hang on! Let me do a face mask first. Pour boiling water over dried chamomile. Strain the liquid into a silicone mold. Dip a mannequin head into the liquid face down and put it in the freezer. Take out the container when the liquid has frozen. Wrap the mask in Saran wrap. Attach a label. Wow! What an amazing ice effect! I want one too! Hey, Christy, your mask isn't working! Did you like our icy pranks? Comment below how you'll prank your friends. Will you give them an ice phone, freeze their alarm clock, hide their money, or make very cold soup? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new icy pranks from Troom.